The difference between duplicates and linked duplicates. To duplicate this cube, we can right click and just do duplicate objects, or go to Shift D, and then let's place it somewhere here. Now I come here and select the cube, original cube, and then I go to materials, I press new, and then I want to give it some color like blue. So when I give it blue, we don't see anything because we are not in the material preview. Go there and you see that this blue did not affect this. Now let's do a linked duplicate of this, or we put another cube there just to make things easier for us. So we just go to add mesh, and then we put another cube there, and then this particular cube here, we right click again or go to Alt D, and then we do duplicate linked. Now we move our linked duplicate somewhere here. We select this, our original cube that we did the link duplicates, and then we go to material again, and then we do new, and now we change this color to maybe red. You see that whatever I do to this affect this. So in general, the difference between duplicates and linked duplicates is that duplicates will give you just a duplicate of what you had, and it's not linked to whatever. So they are independent now after you've moved that. But with the linked duplicates, whatever you do to this, either when you go to edit mode and modify you modify the object or the vertices or edges, it affects it. So more or less this is the parent, and whatever you do to it affects the child. Thank you for watching. If this helped you in any way, help me by subscribing to my channel or giving this a like. Thank you. Bye.